The Wise Man and the Long Spoons. One day, a wise man was asked, "What is the difference between someone who speaks about love and someone who truly lives it?" The wise man calmly replied, "You will see the difference now." He invited some people to a feast, and they sat around the table. These were the people who only spoke about love and never truly felt it in their hearts. The wise man began by serving them soup and then handed each of them a spoon that was 1 meter long. He said, "You must eat the soup with these long spoons." Everyone eagerly tried to eat using the long spoons, but quickly realized it was very difficult. Each person tried to feed themselves, but the spoon was too long and they kept spilling the soup on the ground instead of getting it to their mouths. They were all very hungry, but could not satisfy their hunger. When the wise man saw that they had failed, he said, "As you can see, they could not satisfy their hunger because each one of them was thinking only of themselves. Each one tried to feed only themselves, but the long spoons made it impossible." Then the wise man invited another group of people, those who truly loved one another. These people had hearts full of love and compassion. They sat at the same table, and he presented them with the same long spoons. But this time, they did something different. Each person took their spoon and filled it with soup. But instead of trying to feed only themselves, they offered their soup to the person sitting next to them. The spoons went around the table, and in the end, everyone was full because they shared with one another. The wise man looked at them and said, "As you can see, the one who thinks only of themselves will remain hungry, but the one who thinks of others and shares with them will be satisfied along with everyone. This is true love. It is not just in words, but in actions and giving." He added, "This is also the meaning of marriage. The husband gives and the wife gives, and each one strives to make the other happy. When both think of the other, they are both fulfilled. Giving is the key to true happiness." And so this story taught everyone an important lesson, that cooperation and sharing are the foundation of a happy life.